Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Brody's PH with Jack and AIDS, powered by the Pod Network. Thank you very much for tuning in. And today, it's only me, Jack, but because Adrian is in a meeting na bawal daw istorbohin. So, okay, fine. Di bawal ka istorbohin. But today, we are joined by our how do you describe this person? This special guest, yan, that we are having for this afternoon or evening or morning kung nasa naman kayo. We are still the Brodies. We are still a communication community of brotherhood and sisterhood na rin sa mga all over the world. So right now, let's all welcome our guest, born again Christian designer, fashion designer. Now, ano bang venture mo na iba? Now,
Well, I mean, I'm a Shein. A lot.
yeah, Shein. Gian Lasala.
Wow, what an honor. First time to do a face-to-face
That's right.
podcast.
Ang galing mo. Yeah, sa mga nakikinig po talaga sa amin, this is the first time ever na yung guest namin dati made a comeback. Wow!
Grabe naman.
Ibig sabihin,
Wow.
you really love us, the Brodies.
Diba? It's always an honor. I love speaking engagements.
Yes.
Yung talk show type.
Yeah, that's right. Tawag dito, Gian, magsimula tayo maya-maya. But before that, I'd like to, at this point, as we speak, I'd like to congratulate him for having,
Wow.
diba?
Mutya ng Pilipinas.
Mutya ng Pilipinas' first ever national title.
Yes.
Right.
As a fashion designer.
Hindi siya yung lumaban, ha? Baka,
Hindi ako.
hindi siya yung lumaban.
Courtesy of Juliana Fresado.
Yes.
Mutya ng Pilipinas, Iligan.
Hindi ko na-record yun. Nilayo ko yung mic. Pero
Reject top.
hindi. For, Juliana Fresado from,
Iligan City.
why did you support Miss Iligan?
Because I was born in Cebu, but I grew up in Iligan City. So I spent 2/3 of my life in Iligan.
Wow. How many? 2/3. So alam ko na kung anong
I'm
age ka.
38.
Hindi, ibig sabihin, Gian, well, congratulations, Juliana and Miss Iligan and Iligan City itself, di ba?
Yes, and Miss Angel Ngo, our local director. Hello,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Miss Angel, I've heard a lot about you. Mostly tuloy. Mga good things about you naman. Thank you for supporting our candidate. Si Juliana kasi naging friend na rin namin siya, di ba?
Yeah, she goes to church with me.
That's right. Tapos Adrian, we were in Build PH conference where all the pastors all over the Philippines gathered last week, November 11 to 13. Now, na-mention nila yung Iligan. Parang sabi nila,
Yes.
trivia, mas masarap ang lechon sa Iligan kaysa sa Cebu.
I'm sorry, Cebuanos, but Iligan lechon
In Vietnamese, in Cebuano.
in Cebuano, lamig gyud ang Iligan nga lechon. Dili ni mo siya ma-compare because the way na siya nga lutuon man good kay ang lamas ba mga SARS, yung everything that you put in it, yeah. We cook it, giluto siya with all the lamas,
Spices.
the spices.
And the juice.
Yes.
Wow.
And salty. Yes, slow cook. Parat is salty in Tagalog. Yeah. English. Maalat siya talaga. Super malasa. And you wouldn't need Mang Tomas for it. So Cebu Iligan lechon, also Davao, Iligan lechon goes neck to neck with Davao and Cebu lechon.
Pero Iligan is at
The
top.
best talaga. For me,
They've been
yeah.
Siyempre, they're gonna tell us na medyo biased ka, pero people have been testifying.
Yeah.
People from Davao, people from Cebu,
Really are telling you.
that na Iligan daw yung pinakamasarap na lechon.
Yes.
And how come we haven't tasted that yet? We've been together for like 2 years?
Grabe.
3 years?
I'll bring some soon. And mura lang. I mean, if I buy 1 kilo, it's only 700 pesos
Yeah.
per kilo, ha?
Oh, tapos pwede
Yes.
siyang ibiyahe.
Pwede siya ibiyahe. I can bring it hand-carried siya to the airport.
Nice.
Mm-mm.
Thank you, Gian. Sige.
Just remind me. Kasi
Iligan is purely more of caves, right? Tama ba?
and waterfalls.
Yung sinabi nila.
Yes, we have caves, we have waterfalls, but I have to admit, I haven't been to all the waterfalls because there's too many.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll talk more about it and then sa pagbabalik po ng The Brody's PH. Let's have the rap.
Yo, mic check para sa podcast na madali lang pakinggan. Pwede kaming white noise while you're washing the pinggan. Jump rope, biking, jogging, or driving sa daan. Willing kaming sumama sa inyo kahit saan. The Brodies, hindi ka nag-iisa.
All right, and we're back. Thank you. We're still here with Gian Las.
Yes, hello.
Before we part of the Brody's PH is meron kami tinatawag ditong the Brody's Confession.
Okay.
Si Gian, kausapin natin mamaya. Let's just have a quick catch up. If you know him, he's been a designer sa Shein and designer for his entire life, di ba?
Yes, since I was really young.
Very young. Up until right now, he's been designing for the beauty pageants and all. But the Brody's Confession is those people who told us or write to us or email us whatever that they've been for their struggles and all other stuff that they've been going through. This time, we have one Brody na told us na he has been selling his body.
No way.
Yes.
Is he a Christian?
I wouldn't know, but
No.
not yet. Pero ang nangyayari kasi, bro, is selling his body, but it's how do you put this, Gian?
Online, only
No, not online. Parang he's a corporate guy,
Okay.
but he's not, alam mo, hindi siya yung, alam mo yung nagko-corporate siya na
Okay.
office. Pero hindi talaga siya yung parang naglalako ng katawan online or whatever. Because when we say he has been selling, it means may bayad eh. Alam mo kung kanino?
Right.
Let's make it more complicated. Let's
Yeah.
throw in the final ingredient
Okay.
to his boss.
Oh, I think I know that story.
Oh, di ba? That's
Yeah,
very complicated.
Yeah.
I was about to say that last time, pero medyo ano talaga eh, medyo komplikado. So,
Mm.
how can we help this guy?
How can we help the guy? Well, I think a little bird already told me this story
Mhm.
previously also.
That bird?
I don't know who that. I don't think he's little. He's really big, no. A little birdie told me that story already. So how can we help him? Well, when that story was revealed to me naman, but I think it's really it's really repentance eh. Kasi if you're in church and you've been hearing the word of God, at least the Holy Spirit will convict you of the things that you're doing. So for me, how can we help him? You just have to decide and perhaps pray for more godly encounters. Kasi yung problem niya siguro, kuya, is yung lack of money. So I feel
Yes,
like
yes.
he
Oo.
grew
I
up
was about to say na
struggling with money,
financial.
financial.
Kasi he's from the province also yata eh.
Yes, and then perhaps
May di ka confirm.
perhaps idolatry niya is having the
Lifestyle.
lifestyle and luxuries in life. So
Here's here's what my take with this situation For me parang sabi ko nga if ever kung if you're doing that parang if you're doing that ibig sabihin salat ka sa pera, kulang budget mo.
right.
Yun
Pero
daw-
kulang ba talaga yung budget?
Yun nga din yun nga din nasa isip ko. Parang oo daw. Kulang ang budget, pero for me sabi ko hindi ba gusto na rin niya yung ginagawa niya?
Pwede.
Diba?
Pwede. I also said the same thing to my best friend.
Before.
No, now or just recently. Because we also have a similar case from a friend.
Okay.
Yun naman, salat talaga sa pera. But I told him na maybe she also likes what she's doing.
Oo, parang naging na siya. So the issue now is not the money anymore.
Yeah, kasi naman kuya it's not like that they came out or they grew up from that kind of environment. Hindi eh. You know what I mean? Because we also have a friend, right? Na his mom, they would transfer to houses and his mom would bring him to the bars that she works.
Oo.
So basically,
Na-expose siya doon.
so basically, if you are in that kind of environment, maging ganun ka din. But apparently, hindi siya naging ganun eh.
You have to make a decision with it. So tama ka na parang yung iba naman, siya yung naghanap. Diba?
Yes.
So maybe it's something that's an inner issue that guys in selling his body to his boss.
Yes. So parang 'di ba parang sabi nga sa Bible, you covet because you do not ask.
Yes. Tsaka Adrian to. Tsaka na-miss ko tuloy si Adrian.
Magkatunog naman yung name
Oo.
namin eh. Ako na si
Gian.
Adrian.
Gian. Gian. Tsaka ano naman sa akin, I think marami namang ibang means of pagkakitaan. 'Di
Yes,
ba?
yeah,
Ang pera
yeah.
talaga ang problema, 'di ba?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
pwede naman talaga. But we cannot really answer for him because we do not know really what's the struggle. But my really concern there is the outcome, the consequences in the future.
Right. That's right.
Kasi Gian, like if you're having sex with other people or promiscuous or parang iba't ibang tao, you're giving an amount of yourself to that person. Like
Right.
a puzzle to that
Yes,
person,
yes.
'di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Ngayon, in the long run, kung pag mag-aasawa ka na talaga,
Mm,
naku, 'di
correct.
ba? You're gonna have a problem with intimacy.
Yes,
'Di ba?
right.
Nagets mo ako na parang
Uh-uh.
you are parang tama ba to na parang I'm kissing this girl pero na yung part of me nandoon. Unless this guy will really surrender
Yes.
everything,
And give
'di
his
ba?
life to Jesus.
Exactly, wala nang
Mm.
ibang sagot eh.
Yeah, yun lang talaga yung sagot ko. I mean, even in my case, when I surrendered my life to Christ, one of the things that she really answered was my financial need. Yun talaga yung una ko. I don't know with others, ha? But for me, what the Lord really addressed was financial need.
Ah,
And the Lord said that you shall not lack on anything.
hindi talaga.
Hindi talaga.
Nagka-tights ka na, no?
Yes. yes. Yes, yan. Yes. Oo, yes, yan.
Yes.
And
That's why I'm really, I can really tell you right now, I'm proud of you, bro.
thank you.
Really
Kuya.
proud of you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah.
And when the Lord said that you will not lack in anything, it's not just spiritual, it's that too.
Yes.
So the Lord really makes His presence known, even on the material things.
That's right. That's right. That's
Yeah.
right. So yun lang. I think, Brody, medyo heavy yung ating first topic.
Grabe,
Hindi,
grabe.
kaya nga sabi ko sa KGN ko na lang isasabihin to. Pero kaya medyo candid lang tayo. Pero it's really a difficult issue, difficult situation to be in. So I hope that, you seek help. Help is available. I think the fact that we know this story,
Mm.
this guy is somehow connected. Di ba?
Yes.
Diba?
And you know, I would just want to share to this guy na one of the things that the Lord taught me in my season kasi He blessed me with so much, and there are also times talaga na wala din, no? It's not na naman na walang-wala, but it's not your usual income. And the Lord always just reminds me that He will always provide. And He always tells me na, there's a kasabihan in Tagalog na, if baluktot na yung blanket, you should also know how to make mamaluktot, right?
Yes.
Tama, right?
Yeah.
It means to say, if-
Tighten up the belt.
yes, but it also means, kuya, na if you are, if you're lacking in money, even if there's so much, mean to say you're spending more than your means.
That's right.
right. So,
Tsaka may ganun talaga season of luck. So, ano muna, desert season, di ba? So,
just adjust.
yes.
And so,
Marunong ka nun? Magtipid?
oo naman.
Tama.
always. That's why I can give a lot kasi.
Yes.
Diba? And
That's right.
guys, I'm telling you, if you have so much money, it gives more anxiety actually.
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi dumadami ka mag-anak mo.
Tama naman, pero I don't talk to most of them.
Kaya, okay lang.
Say is, mas gusto ko yung, I don't want to be poor, but the poor has so much better in life because ang isipin nila is how to survive eh. And
Yeah.
that's good. That's really
Yeah.
good ha. Pag rich kasi parang you have more temptations on doing things that you do not want.
Oh, totoo yan.
Diba,
Kasi
Kuya
lahat
Jack?
possible.
Yes.
Lahat possible. Kasi ikaw, yung iba, ang hinihit lang to survive today.
Which is good.
Yung iba namang iniisip, magpatato kaya ako sa mukha. Ganyan, di ba?
Ganyan.
Parang,
And if poor ka in money ha, it
Hindi
develops
mo-
your critical thinking.
yeah.
How will you survive?
Yeah.
So that when the Lord blesses
Strategy.
when the Lord blesses you na, the one of the lessons that I learned is you treat being wealthy and poor the same.
Oh, totoo yan.
Oo.
Kasi nga, I think there's a danger also dun sa generosity, di ba? The
Mhm.
danger is when you are on the giving end.
Right, yeah.
Na parang, sige, I'll give. Parang, parang ang nangyayari, parang you're buying the person or owning the person na.
Right, yung intention to
Yes,
get,
because
yeah.
when you give, just give, period. No strings
Mhm.
attached, di ba?
Correct, correct.
Tingin naman akong ano.
You
Hindi,
know
joke lang.
that. yung
Anyway,
audience natin yung mas mayaman sa ating dalawa.
yes, that's right. So, yun nga, for me, yeah, so it's really good.
Mm.
Right now, I'm not sure if you know Gian Lasala. Gian Lasala uh, has been to in Tony Talks, di ba?
Yeah.
Kamusta yung experience pala? This is,
It was
alam mo yung mga
good.
guests namin, mga Tony Talks, ano yung
Grabe.
Survivor? Ay, Survivors. Tony Talks guest.
Good. I like how Ate Tony did the interview. It was very conversational, kuya. Perhaps because she already saw me
Before,
giving
yung
my
testimony mo.
Yeah, so parang for her it
Yung
was
testimony mo sa Ascot
yes, hi.
na
So it was more like
glad to be back.
yes. Hi, Pastor Paul and Ate Jen, Kuya Jeko. Anyway, it was good kasi parang she just allowed me to talk.
Yeah, looks
yeah.
like it.
And it was very spontaneous and
Tsaka pati ano ka, patatatatat, ganun ka nun eh.
yeah, kasi parang she just allowed me to talk. It's just like meeting an old friend.
Oo,
Ganon.
oo.
And she just asked me like 5 to 6 questions. Ganon. Yeah.
That's good. So yung pinag-usapan natin doon is your really life story, how
Yeah.
God healed you.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Why did God heal you? From what?
It's HIV. So I will correct that. Ha? I mean,
Oo.
correct. Parang disclaimer lang. So
Hindi, parang ano lang, himayin lang natin kasi baka hindi na
yes.
explain na. Kasi if you're gonna
Maayos.
think about it, Gian,
Oo.
us, kilala ka namin.
Yes.
So when you say the story, gets. But sabi ko nga, if my POV is like clear, I'm coming in completely, I don't know you.
Mm.
Ha?
Yeah,
Parang may mga
yeah.
missing pieces.
Right. Yeah.
Oh,
So medically speaking, there's no cure for HIV.
that's right.
Right? But doctors have been telling me na if you are undetectable for a very long time, it is as good as you are healed and you don't have HIV.
Undetectable.
Undetectable.
Because you cannot pass it on?
Yes, because there are levels of detectability of the virus, right? So if you're below 100 viral load count, you're considered undetectable. And if
That's
you're below 50 talaga, as in like 50, 0 to 50, as in super undetectable yan, and you cannot transmit the virus anymore. So with my journey, medically speaking, I wouldn't have survived it.
Because you started how many?
Well, my first diagnosis, my viral load was, I think, I could not remember, but my CD4 count was still 455.
Ang taas nun, like off
Mataas
the
yun.
chart. So,
Oo, mataas yun. But along the way, this was in 2013, no? So, but along the way, my viral load kept on increasing.
oh,
Yeah. Until 2017, now I had this cough that never left my body. Parang from July.
are you sexually active that time? Because,
I was still
Baka,
sexually
oo.
active, yeah.
kaya tumataas.
Hindi naman siya ganun, kuya, eh. Kasi the cocktails kasi could only work depending on your genetic makeup.
Okay, may factor pa yun.
May factor
And
yun.
then-
So, and this is really scary for those who are watching. Kasi sexually transmitted diseases, when it goes to your body, it has a genetic makeup. And it mixes to your own DNA.
DNA, oo.
Yeah, so there are
Sirain talaga niya yung DNA mo.
yes, magmi-mix siya, kuya, eh. Kasi ang HIV pag pumasok sa katawan mo, hindi na identify ng white blood cells mo.
Parang, sino yan?
Kasi it mimics a typical white blood cell. So hindi niya ina-attack.
Oo, oo.
So anyway, I found out in 2017 when I had this cough that kept on coming back, that my cocktails were not working. So in 2017 December, parang kaka-antibiotic ko, hindi talaga ako gumaling. So the doctor na timingan ko sa I don't want to say the hospital, but a very expensive private hospital.
Okay.
Hindi siya nagsabi ng totoo, kuya, kung ano yung nasa x-ray. So,
Okay.
and clear na sa x-ray, kuya, na it was TB. Pero,
Yung first diagnosis.
second na to,
second.
second na examination na to. it was TB already, and then he didn't tell me the truth. And then talaga he pushed me to get admitted. Pero on the x-ray, clear na talaga na it was TB.
Sobrang lala na.
Oo. And then, syempre ako naman natakot ako. And but then my dad told me na, parang he was just telling me na if you're tired with your disease, let God know na you are okay to be taken away. Parang you can go home to heaven. Ganun na, in the exact words, if
Okay.
you're tired, you can ask the Lord to
Wow.
bring you home. So ako naman, nga no, like,
Pero you bring you home sa mainit or
di ko pa alam
Di-
yon,
that
but I
time,
did
oo.
surrendered. Technically, I surrendered my life to
that
Jesus
time?
that time.
Oo, oo.
And then I said, you know what, Lord? In all my lifetime, in my years, you have already given me everything that I hoped for.
So okay ka na.
Okay na ako.
Time to go.
Time to go. Like Miss Universe, binigay mo na sa akin. Working for big companies, being a designer, nakilala. Binigay mo na ng Lord. Financially, hindi
Fashion
ako
show,
okay.
everything, oo.
Everything, kuya. Kasi at 21, I did Fashion Week. I did 13 seasons.
Wow.
And I'm an outsider, ha?
Pero financially, hindi ka okay
Hindi
naman.
ako okay nun, but I did work for the biggest brands in the Philippines.
Punta pera mo.
Siyempre, yung ako lang naman, I want to be in Manila just to, nakwento ko sa Tony Talks na, I went to Manila para lang lumandi, di ba?
Yun ba yun?
Yan lang yung, di sabi ko,
Ano ba? Lumabas ba?
na-air naman yun. So, parang yung pursuit ko lang was since I cannot express my homosexuality in
Illegal.
province,
Ano
in
province?
Cebu or in Ligan, or maybe because walang pogi sa Cebu, I really want to come to Manila
Para ano talaga,
para
magwalwal.
magwalwal, lumande, and to
Oo.
taste all the guys as possibly. That was my goal. And, I'm honest about it na I'm candid about it. So, okay lang sa akin yung sweldo ko, 30,000 a month.
Basta lang may... Kasi hindi naman yun ang goal eh. Hindi
Yes.
ka naman yumaman.
Correct.
Kaya hindi ko- oo.
Oo. Ang goal ko lang, pumunta dito, mag-party, may budget ako pang O-bar dati or pang bed, ganyan.
Okay.
And mag-grinder,
Lahat.
lahat.
Okay, and then
Lahat
God
talaga.
healed you. Wait, teka. Your sickness before comes from kasi being promiscuous, right?
Promiscuous siya, yes.
Okay.
And
And then that kind of lifestyle. Then God healed you from that. So what did you promise God? What did you tell God?
I told the Lord I'm gonna leave the lifestyle.
Okay.
And then after he really transformed me miraculously, physically healing talaga, parang the Lord gave me a vision. Did I share this to you before?
Not yet.
So the Lord gave me a vision. I didn't know that was a prophetic gift na pala, no? But the Lord gave me a vision one time. I was praying about it. The Lord gave me a vision of a greener pasture. That's my fence.
Oh, the fence.
The
Yeah.
fence, sabi niya,
Ano narinig ko yun last Sunday?
GN, sabi niya, GN talaga, sabi niya, GN, these are the designers you look up to, no? So, I won't mention the names, binigay niya 4. 3 doon, Kuya Christian. Yeah. Sabi niya, ang promise ni Lord is, I get emotional with this, no, but sabi ni Lord is, I remembered he said na, I will be better than them.
Wow.
If you give up this lifestyle,
Wow.
and you follow me. I didn't know what that meant, but ang galing ni Lord. Ang
So
galing
tingin
niya.
mo ba you're better than them now?
Well, if objectively speaking,
Bigger yung reach mo.
yes,
got
among
it.
the 4, I won't say that the first one he mentioned, I'm better than this designer.
Okay.
Kasi bigger yung reach niya. But in terms of reaching to a mass market,
You
the
got
4 of them, they don't have it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saka I think naman the Lord will show you that. Not to like really step on them, but really for your understanding, yung measure nung kaya niyang ibigay.
Bigay, yes.
Kasi ikaw yung, hindi mo kasi kayang intindihin kapag sinabi niyang gantong kalaki.
Correct.
Gets mo? I think
Oo.
that's not to like really compare, but
not to
not to really
compare.
step on them, right?
Yes.
Good.
And it's more like the Lord. Now I realize it's more like the Lord letting me understand na I don't have to put my personal effort in achieving those desires. Kasi nga,
Oo.
in Jeremiah 1, sabi nga niya, di ba, na I have anointed you, I have given you your purpose, even before you were entered in your mother's womb. So,
I know you. Yeah.
yes, exactly. So basically, dreams yun ni Lord for me. kailangan niya lang na siya yung gumawa for
Yeah.
me, 'di ba? So,
I think they watch Tony Talks when ano and your story is very inspiring because it's a
Thank
total
you.
surrender kay God, 'di ba? I just want to give our listeners right now yung context sa why pinakwento ko ng bahagya 'yon.
Yes,
Right
yes, yes.
now, the important thing is the present yung ngayon. So Adrian tuloy na naman. So Gian, I think with all those things that you have like victoriously escaped from, siyempre, there are remnants of like memories.
Yes.
There
yeah,
are, di ba, memories.
yeah. Memory.
Mga image,
Struggles.
struggles, image na tumatak sa isip mo, feelings na tumatak sa puso mo. Are there really hard days,
Yeah,
right?
yes. You know, this is the beauty of Christianity.
Mm.
And this is why the Lord hates legalism. Kasi the Lord never condemns, kuya. And you know, the Lord didn't say, okay, you leave homosexuality, everything will be okay. No. The war has just begun.
Remember when we talked in CBTL?
Yes. And
Sabi mo sa akin, my prayer is
to remove the temptation.
to remove the temptation, the struggle. Sabi ko, you do not know what you're asking for, bro.
But genuinely speaking, I told the Lord talaga na, Lord, why is this so difficult?
Oo.
Yeah. But then, you know, I realized the Lord really, apart from the Lord really wanting our participation in our salvation experience, sabi nga ni Paul, di ba, the more we sin, the more that grace abounds.
Yes.
It doesn't mean that it gives you the license to sin, right? But what I realize now is that, you know, the love of the Lord is really immeasurable. And yung impact sa akin every time I do something that I don't like doing, parang I get to understand na yung love ni Lord, hindi siya talaga dapat abusuhin. Kasi the Holy Spirit will tell you na, hey, you really need to step up. Those are the words that I'm hearing from the Lord now, kuya.
Tsaka I think you never really understood grace if the battle is ayokong gawin, and yung nilalabanan mo on your own. You did not really understand what grace is all about. Grace is all about love. I will not do this because I love God, not because it's gonna parang puntos laban sa akin. It's not like that. It's more of legalism talaga eh.
Yeah.
Kasi, well, I think with your story naman, Gian, and then the way I saw you, it's more of like, it's a really good balance that you're telling us that, tawag dito, na parang you're not being too hard on yourself. God is not legalistic God, di ba?
Yes.
Because hindi siya yung parang, don't do this, don't do that.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah,
Ganyan.
yeah.
And He is not also, kasi too much grace encourages tawag dito, ini-spoiled mo na. Di ba? Yung too much grace is abuso.
Correct.
Di ba?
Correct,
Parang
correct.
ganun. So, it encourages too much. Parang wala nang mag-stop sa'yo for that. Parang too much grace is pabebe. It, what's the word for that? It gives you, tolerates you.
You become licentious.
Yeah,
ganyan.
it tolerates you.
Uh,
Yun. So, for me, what are the things that you struggle with right now?
Well, the usual porn.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when you get really tired, parang you want physical affection, although I don't do that anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Pero the way I pray right now, kuya, is I confess to God what I want to do at the moment.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Diba?
Yes, I think all the single men should hear this one.
Right.
Parang, you really have to say it. Tapos may hiya ka sa sinabi mo.
Yes, oo.
When I was sila single, kay sinasabi ko rin yan. Tsaka ito yung kasalanan kong gustong gawin at ito yung gagawin ko.
Yes.
Ito yung nagawa ko.
Oo.
Kasi malulusaw siya at hindi ka malulusaw.
Correct.
Parang
And then,
angat ka.
may peace na na-confess mo siya.
Parang bibigyan kang buhay tapos malulusaw yung kinonfess mo.
And
Right?
it's true. And then one of the things that the Lord really dealt with me, diba He said na there's no shame in Him. It's true. He tells me na, Gian, you better tell me what's the lies in your head.
Yun.
Like,
Oo.
I always tell myself, baka,
Put it to light so that it will not
Exactly.
have power against you.
like, for example, like, nobody likes me because I talk this way, or maybe I'm this.
Yeah, nobody
parang,
likes
Lord,
you nga. Joke lang din.
Or like yan, kuya, like, I'm really blessed with our small group
Mhm.
and being
Good
friends
thing, hindi
with,
pa ikaw.
and then having a friend like Luca. Well, all of you guys are straight when you grew up. And it's so refreshing that I get to hear from the guy saying na he's a very good looking guy. Tas walang mali siya.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kasi if it
O parang,
comes,
okay yung forma niya, ang bango niya.
correct. Kasi every time I do that, every time I have that parang attraction to a guy ko na walang malis naman. Parang, kasi maganda lang yung itsura. As in, as a designer, everything symmetrical is beautiful.
Oo, oo.
Diba? So parang if I hear that from my brothers, parang it also encourages me na, pwede pala na to voice it out.
You know what?
And
It
people
also
to
comes
touch
with the
you.
culture kasi
Right.
that you grew up
right.
with. Si Luca kasi from Italy. They, from Europe. So
They do that.
they do that. Parang,
Uh-uh.
very generous sila sa
So
pag-compliments
yeah,
ng,
yeah.
ng
Mm.
kahit lalaki sa lalaki. Di ba? Yan parang,
Mm.
oh, have you been working out? Parang, di ba?
Yeah. And then we're very, very affectionate. Like,
Yes.
like if he feels that I'm really down, he just hugs me, ganyan, ganyan.
Walang mali siya.
So,
Walang mali siya.
napagkakamalan nga kami, kuya.
Oo nga.
So, pero, I mean, ako naman, parang, I tend to adjust, but sometimes, parang you really need a brotherly affection. Kasi,
Yes.
di ba? So, with our small group naman, yan, mga Pinoy na yan, ha? Lalo na yung nandito, Pinoy yan. Yung audience na.
Mukha bang Pinoy yan? O parang tingin kamiling.
I mean, what I'm trying to say is, they're very secured with their identity as a straight guy, and they're
Oo.
not afraid to, so,
To show emotions, to be vulnerable.
I'm sharing this because that's what I'm battling also.
Mm-hmm.
Na para bang, ano ba yung toxic masculinity to the real masculinity, right? And I found out that women actually like men who would show of their vulnerable side,
Yes.
who are more expressive,
Yes.
mga
parang-
ganon.
Yeah, na parang men who are still in touch with reality. Na hindi kasi
Yes.
Superman.
Correct.
Naan ka rin talaga. I mean, si
Yes.
Superman nga may kryptonite eh. Don't tell me na parang kaya yan, all that. More of,
Mm,
you get hurt but you stumble and fall but you get back up again.
correct.
So-
And women like to communicate, right?
Yeah.
So,
So with that
Big
kind of
time.
struggles, is it safe to say, or do you really encourage people to hang out with like with the same struggle as you, or with a straight man, or what kind of community do you need to look for? Kasi sometimes may ganito kasi Gian eh. Ito where I'm coming from is naitawid na disciple, nag water baptism and all, super on on fire kay Jesus,
Right.
biglang hindi masustain.
Okay.
Di ba? Gets mo?
Yeah.
What are the things that I need to like, siyempre aside from reading the Bible naman talaga and all, what are the things that I need to like plug in myself into so that I
Okay.
can be victorious every day?
Okay, so two things, no? So those who really genuinely step out of the lifestyle and follow Jesus, it's not good for them to be with the same people of the same background. They have to be plugged in to men who are really straight talaga in the past. Kasi yung una kong small group, yun talaga mga lalaki na, alam mo yung, lalaki talaga kuya. Sa panalita, brusko, ganyan, pati lokohan, alam mo yun. So ako din naman, na-encourage ako na, wow, like,
Ganito pala, oo.
yes, and it really changes also my countenance and everything. Second, to that, yun yung first suggestion ko na, don't hang out with people of the same background. Kasi, kunwari, pareho tayo ng background. Tapos sabihin mo sa akin, uy bro, alam mo, na-miss ko tong ganitong lifestyle eh. Ikaw din na bago pang Christian, sabihin mo din, nakaka-miss nga, no? So, at least with you, kuya, like, you're straight for your life.
You're gonna drag each other down.
Yes, and you have a background of yung kakulitan na parang basag ulo, ganyan. So at least ako, parang you'll tell me stuff that I don't know, which will encourage me also na parang, okay. So
This is the world pala. The other
Yes.
world side. Yeah.
Nape-pressure nga ako mag-training ng basketball or mga ganon. Kasi
Oo, gusto nga daw niyang mag-basketball.
magpa-coach. Kasi nga syempre, di ba? Parang, but I also admit that I'm not
Sports.
into sports, right?
Oo. Okay lang naman yan. There's no pressure. You know, that's toxic masculinity in the Philippines. In the
In the
Philippines.
Philippines.
Na if you're not playing basketball,
Hindi ka lalaki.
oo, sobrang lakas ng pressure.
No, but I learned
Sa mga volleyball player na malalakas. Ah,
yung dati kong barkada, na ka-church din natin, he taught me talaga how what basketball is. And there's really art into it, no? Like if you
art
really,
and science, yeah.
and if you really understand the play, you will be very interested to learn basketball. Even football.
That's
yeah.
right. Kasi kanya-kanyang really craft yan. It's just that basketball is readily available.
For
Wait,
everyone.
kasi
yes.
if it's soccer, wala naman tayong big field eh.
Oh, correct.
Diba?
Basketball got democratized kasi.
That's right.
Second naman, so yun yung first advice ko, hang out with people from church na straight guy all their lives. Yun yan.
Parang hirap naman nun. Parang straight ka ba all your life? Parang ganun.
Maramdaman mo naman yun, kuya, kasi you would know.
Mm.
Diba? Kung may background kang ganun, you know. Yes, the gaydar, you would know. So, second naman, the reason why others can't sustain it, because they haven't been genuinely seeking God.
Yeah.
So parang, di ba, there are how many soils that Matthew pointed out? 5, di ba? Rocky, basta, you're all of those soils except the last one na ripe
Mataba.
for...
Yeah.
Yes. So, iba dyan, seeking lang, tapos
Yeah.
nainganyo because they feel like it.
Yeah.
Di ba? They're not genuine.
Yeah.
So,
I get it, Gian. And also, I think if I may add to that
Yeah.
list, sa akin naman, Gian, remember when we talked to CBTL before,
mm,
yung sabi ko, Gian, kasi you're praying for that struggle to be removed.
yes.
And you don't want that struggle anymore. That's your prayer request, blah, blah. All the during that time, all the more, that struggle has been eating you out. Diba?
Right,
Parang
right.
ito kang kinakain nun kasi parang you've been dealing and fighting with that single struggle. Where in fact, remember what I asked you that?
Ang dami pang problema.
Ang
na
dami
pala
pang
problemahin.
Tinanggalin sa'yo, meron ka pa, nagsinungaling ka pa din, tamad ka pa
Oo.
din, which is lazy,
Gastador pa
ka pa
din.
din, disobedient ka pa din.
Yes.
Really hyper-focus on that. I know that issue led you to where you are right now, but there are other issues pa to solve. I mean,
Yeah.
to deal with. Now, if for a lifetime, the struggle did not go out, it's not removed,
Disappear.
did not disappear, totally fine. And may mga struggle talaga na hindi naman talaga matatanggal. That's why, nandyan nga ang grasya ng Panginoon.
Yeah, and you know, kuya, here's what the Lord made me realize. If He removed the struggle, there'll be no need of Him.
Oo nga, totoo yan.
And I don't know why the Lord did that on purpose, but the benefit of it is your relationship with Jesus becomes real and Jesus becomes a human being. You get what I mean, kuya?
Yes.
And you would know His
Reachable.
heart. Yes, reachable siya. And you would get to know Jesus for who He is, not the Jesus that you know only every Sunday.
Ah, that's right.
It's very personal. Like, I know you, di ba? Like, this is what I tell the guys usually, yung John 15, di ba? Remain in me. Why? Because the Lord wants himself to be known out, parang more than what you learned from what was passed on to you.
Yes.
Yan, di ba? So, like for example, for you, Kuya Jack, even if you don't say anything, I know what your reaction is. So I'm in that relationship with Jesus right now. Na everywhere I go, where, for example, the wind points me to that direction, I would know what the Lord is telling me, even if He doesn't say it, because
Yeah.
we're that intimate.
Yeah.
So in relation to my struggle, the more na I let go of it, na parang, and then the more that God encourages me to make a decision, whatever decision, whatever consequences, parang the more my relationship becomes rooted in Him.
Yeah.
Dapat baliktad, di ba? Kailangan,
Oo.
dapat ang iba dyan, hiwalay na. But me, the more I'm clinging onto the Lord, and I don't know why.
Yeah.
And I think that's the Holy Spirit telling me na to persevere in trials. Kasi,
What I'm hearing is parang nearness is a
what is nearness?
Nearness is parang chance, parang something like, but intimacy is a choice.
Yes.
Like that. But you have to like really choose to be intimate with Jesus all the
That's
time.
right. So, and ano kuya, like, and the reason why I said this, kasi I really love Jesus. Like,
Mm.
I really, really, really love him. I don't know any words pa
To
to
describe.
describe the
Yeah.
kind of love I have for Jesus.
Mm.
Na that's why I feel really bad if I make poor decisions. Kasi, not that I offend Jesus lang. I mean, kaya ni Jesus yung mga kasalanan ko. But
Mm.
I think more than anything, because I love Jesus, ako pa yung kawawa. Ako pa yung parang sumira sa relationship namin.
Yeah, that's right. Let's talk about online dating. Medyo lang.
Gusto mo ba? Do you wanna go there?
No, I don't wanna go there. No, Jen, I think medyo substantial naman yung pinag-usapan natin. Anything that you
Right.
want to tell other people, not only with the things that you have been struggling with, like,
Mm-mm.
not the same thing, like really rules to live by, or
Yeah.
parang your step by step to live by. And ito yung nakikita ko sa'yo, you're not afraid to show your emotions. You're not
Thanks,
afraid
Kuya.
to love people.
Mm-mm.
If you love people, then period. Di ba we had that conversation?
Yes,
Sabi
yes.
ko, Gian, wala kang talo if they think if they think na medyo OA kang magbigay or mag-serve or
Mhm.
magbigay ng attention sa kanila is totally fine because wala namang namamatay sa I mean, you always take the road of loving too much.
Yeah, yeah. That's
Kasi
the heart of
huwag
Jesus eh.
Oo, that's the heart of these na parang
Yeah.
there's no parang let's take the rocky road or the road less traveled.
Yes.
It's the loving
Narrow-
too much.
And it's a narrow road, yeah.
The narrow road, right?
Mm-mm.
So anything?
Well, may mga hugot pa ako from our church family. Oh, no church is perfect, no? But,
May hugot din sila sa iyo.
laging ganyan. What I want to say is,
Perfect sana kaso nandito ka.
yes,
Hindi
yung
tayo
ganon.
lahat.
What I wanted to say this, no, na parang, i- don't be, parang wag niyo sayangin yung relationship niyo with Jesus.
Mm.
Diba? Especially if you're rich, especially if you're privileged, all the more that you should seek the Lord.
Mas
Don't-
nakakatakot yung
Yes, don't.
But they don't see that.
I know, kuya, I don't want to make excuses for
Oh,
him
yeah,
anymore.
yeah, that's right.
Nagsisimba ka every Sunday.
Kasi
You're,
pag comfortable.
yeah, I mean, you go to a church that's very comfortable in a specific place where coffee is served. And then you don't even make a conscious choice or effort to take your relationship with Jesus seriously.
Yeah.
I'm not condemning them, but I also don't like that people around them, especially leaders, are making excuses for them. And it annoys me na they always tell me na, oh, they're not on fire like you kasi. What does that mean, Kuya Jack? Para bang,
No, ang sa akin kasi what I
talagang very hugot. Sorry, I love you guys.
ang sa akin naman parang di naman which is totoo naman they're not on fire as you as
But I think
are.
what I'm trying to say is, if you are a leader and you have another leader in the making experiencing that, I believe you should encourage the person to harness the zealousness properly.
we
And-
do not know kasi we do not know kasi Adrian, we do not know kasi Gian if they're doing that na already. It's the person talaga yung baka may issue. And also, it's a different walk sa
No.
ating lahat.
No, because eto for context Kuya Jack is my small group leader. And the way you build my character, Kuya Jack, is different. Instead of putting me down, what do you do to me? Diba? You encourage me, diba?
Putting you more down.
No, I mean, you tell me what's wrong with me, but at the same time, you also tell me na how I should do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't tell me na, I never heard it from you, Kuya Jack, na, kasi ganyan sila Gian eh. You're not making excuses for them.
Mm.
And it breaks my heart because sayang na parang, kumbaga, the church provided for them everything, super comfortable. The place is very, parang the soil is ready for genuine fellowship. And yet, parang we have leaders na parang,
Yeah.
kasi ganito, parang babysitting.
But
I might be wrong kasi
you might be wrong.
I might be wrong
Kasi,
kasi
Gian, understand you totally.
Wala pang
But
healing sa gano'n. I love you guys.
but I do also want to be careful na maging self-righteous tayo, right? At
Right.
let's have that balance na parang kasi I think where you're coming from is, guys, I want you to experience what I have experienced also. So
Oo.
parang sorry to speak, pinadali naman na lahat sa inyo. Bakit
Right.
niyo pa i-grab yung opportunity?
Mm.
I think you're coming from that nakasayang.
Sayang, yes.
Sayang
Sayang
naman.
talaga.
Diba? Not to police them or whatever, but it's
Mm.
more of wake up naman. Can you snap out from that?
Right.
Diba?
Right. Yeah. But I love these people. It's just that sayang,
Right.
sayang. Kasi like, sayang lang. Jesus, sabi nga sa Church of Laodicea, di ba? Na if I come knocking at your door, parang, ano ba, pagbubuksan niyo ba ako ng
Ako.
pinto?
Oo.
And money is such a, ano siya kuya? It's like an anesthesia. Now, when you are in the company of the same people in church, parang, oh, what else do I need?
Oo.
Right? So, and then, yung conversations puro about, when am I getting married? How am I going to date? What's my next project?
Yeah.
So, ganun yung ginagawa ng wealth. That's the reason why Jesus addressed money. Na do not be a lover of money. Kasi, when I became, not naman super rich no, but when the Lord blessed me, it came to a point na, what else should I pray for? That's very dangerous quiz.
Like,
Like,
nakakatakot. Ay, tama yan.
Oo.
Alam mo, kaninang umaga lang, sabi ko lang kay God, God, help me to be excited
Right. No.
about you.
Mm-mm.
I think that's how raw I wrote it down sa notebook ko. Lord, help me to be excited. Give me something that I want to do again that I will come alive.
Right.
Yung
Right.
kasi I don't want to be a mediocre Christian.
Correct.
That's where I'm coming
That's the
from.
word.
That's
Mediocre.
Ayoko yung parang kailangan pag Christian ka, not glory to you, but more of like, I want to be the best because I'm serving the best. Parang
Yeah.
God deserves the best. Parang something like that. But, tapos while processing it, sabi ko, I think hindi nauuna ang motivation. Sabi ko, am I lacking motivation? Kasi kung motivation lang din naman, andiyan naman si Jesus.
Right.
He loves me
Right.
and all that. Am I lacking motivation? No is the answer. But what I'm lacking is the first step to do it.
Okay.
Parang do it first step muna and then motivation will kick in. 'Di ba? Imagine parang you have the motivation naman to clean your room and to do your laundry eh.
Hindi mo lang bet.
Hindi mo lang bet. Pero try to bumangon ka. Ganyan.
Ganyan. Oo.
So for me, I think more of that is just being raw lang with you guys na that's how I deal with those kinds of things. Anyway, complete your thought.
Wag niyo sayangin. Kumbaga, extract everything that you can get from Jesus.
Learn as much as you can.
Yes, be bold don't settle for less
Yeah.
with Jesus. I mean, I'm not saying na, the Lord said na nga, di ba, na you can ask of me anything.
Yeah.
Anything.
According to my will.
Yes, and then, kahit
to my
nga kuya mali yung hiningi mo sa kanya, i-correct naman ng Holy Spirit yan.
That's right.
Basta at least, lumapit ka kay Lord, di ba?
Yeah.
And, guys, when you go to church naman, be there for Jesus. Nothing else. Period. I'm not just addressing this to a certain community, but to all of our church family.
Yeah.
Now, when you go to church, be there for Jesus. Don't look at your left, don't look at your right. Iwan mo lahat ng concerns sa bahay.
Yeah.
Yung concerns mo, paghanap ng asawa, paghanap ng pera, ganyan. Iwan nyo yan. Seek Jesus above all things. Sabi niya, di ba?
That's just an encouragement. If you
wait,
can,
ang dami kong hugot here,
Ay, dami niyang hugot dito, guys.
Okay,
Ako na trying to balance everything. Hirap na ako mag-balance.
Sorry. But I love you all.
That's Gian Lasala for you guys. Thank you. Pinutol na.
Cancel na ulit.
Pinutol na. No, I love our conversation this afternoon because I don't want to talk about the struggles and all the parang dating nangyari sa'yo, but I just want to present si Gian as someone who had a colorful past, saved by grace, and God has been saving him pa din every
Oo,
day.
oo.
And this how like a Christian should look like, di ba?
Yeah, normal.
Normal, hindi ka weird or
Hindi kami
parang
weird na
parang
alive.
victorious. There's nothing wrong with alive, pero yung victorious ka, period. That no matter what happened, ang ending nitong buhay na to ay victorious. Di ba?
Yeah.
Na also you can share to other people, you can give, you can have time, you can give attention to someone, you can encourage someone because you have so much to give.
Yes.
Right? So,
I wanted to redeem my statements, ha.
yeah.
Kasi for everyone's
Try.
information. No, Kuya Jack kasi here really endorsed me to L113. Tapos pinag-awayan pa natin yun, Kuya, remember?
Oh, di, ikaw lang umaway sa
Okay,
akin.
no, I love Kuya Jack talaga. We always have arguments. But ang ending, susunod pa rin ako. So anyway,
Praise God.
I wanted to redeem that statement. Even if I had those
Moments.
hearts cry or groaning, no?
Yeah.
But this is where the greatest commandment of Jesus would come in,
Yeah.
which is love,
Love.
everyone.
Yep.
Diba?
Your brother.
Love your brothers as I have loved you. Kasi
Hirap nun.
alam mo, guys, if you're a non-Christian listening to this, if you try to observe all of the religions in the world, it's only Christianity that's very divided.
That's right.
Tama.
Aming denomination.
Oo, divided na yung Catholic, divided pa yung Orthodox, divided pa yung born again. Diba? So, and this is the reason why love is, this is what Jesus has taught me after coming out of that leadership training. Ang ending ko doon was really loving. And
Galing.
how to have, hindi impartiality, kuya. It's really looking at people in the lens of Jesus as a leader.
Ayun nga yung sinasabi ko last
Diba?
Sunday, di ba, na parang lumaki na yung peripheral mo.
Yes, oo. Na para bang, like, it's just really choosing choosing to love these people.
Okay.
And here's what the Lord told me, kuya. Sabi nga ni Paul, di ba, I can be many things so that I can parang communicate to
Yes.
you guys. So I tried talking to my interns who are a part of LGBT. I spoke to them in a manner that's non-threatening. So after speaking to them, kuya, the Lord reminded me of my previous group, no?
I have become all things to all men so that I can save some.
Yes, so he reminded me of what our senior pastor told me na GN decode the missional code. And the Lord told me if you can speak to the LGBT community, to the beauty queens in a manner that you can share the gospel na non-threatening, then you can also speak to the rich. The question is, are you ready? Kasi syempre, mahilig yan sila kuya sa small talk, socialization. And the Lord told me, kaya nga kita dinamitan ng ganyan so that you would look like them and you would be presentable, di ba? So I'm praying for that right moment,
Yeah,
kuya, na that, that occasion na I will be not naman back to them, no? Pero parang there will be occasions that I'll be socializing with them
Yeah.
na hindi na ako ma-offend and I will speak their language. Then makikringe na lang ako pa uwi. Na parang, Lord, ano ba yun, Lord?
Ano ba nangyari?
Moment na
What
gano'n,
did I
ano
say?
na yun, Lord? But then you'll realize na parang, well, the Lord has His ways of communicating.
Yeah, that's
So,
right. Anyway, thank you, Gian, for
Thank you,
guesting
Kuya
sa
Jack.
aming The Brody Speaks.
apologies for all of my hugot, ah.
It's okay, totally fine. I balance it. No, thank you for listening. If you have reached this part of the podcast, please share, like, or whatever. Please email us also if you have the Brody's Confession at thebrodies.ph@gmail.com, and also socials.
Oh yeah, just look for Gian Lasala.
Gian Lasala, he is searchable anywhere.
Unfortunately, I cannot make things private.
I know. Thank you, everybody. Congratulations, Juliana. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Woo!